What is going on, YouTube? Check it out. We got the tow rig fixed, so Yukon looks like she's running great. And you know, if my tow rig's fixed, I'm gonna buy cars. So we ended up winning 2 cars this week, at one in Seattle and one in Pasco. So today I'm just gonna go and get some cars. So hopefully, I think I'm just gonna pick up the one from Seattle today. It's January 28th. That means it's my birthday. But we're gonna go pick up the car from Seattle and have some fun while we're doing it. So let's go check out the Yukon, guys. Well, that was a solid 3-hour trip, but here we are, guys. It's COPART. This is the North Seattle COPART. So this is not usually the one I go to. Usually I go to the one in Graham, but this one is maybe a little bit further, maybe 20 minutes. So it's not too much of a difference, and I'm gonna check it out for the first time. We'll see what's going on in there, but we'll get back to you guys once we're loading up the car. So while we're waiting here, I guess I don't think I've really told you guys what we won. So if you guys can guess, it's another Silverado. Yeah. So that's 3 Silverados in a row we've gotten. They all say mechanical in, and this one doesn't have mileage. So this one has unknown mileage, unknown running, but it was pretty cheap. I ended up placing the winning bid at $750, and they charged me about $200 in fees. So we are close to $1,000 out the door. So I'm gonna wait for them to load it up. Maybe I'll get you guys a little clip and we'll strap it down and back to Yakima. Woo-wee. So that's our first look at it. You want me to pull forward a little bit more? Or? Okay, definitely. Woo-wee. Here she comes, guys. Pretty good. That's probably good. Alright, guys. So there she is. Probably gonna have to push her back just a hair, but man, that one's sagging the truck quite a bit. Okay, so let's do a quick walk around here. It looks like she's got a dent here on the hood, runs all the way across the hood. I probably won't fix that, or maybe if I can come up on a cheap hood, I will, but it's pretty hard to find hoods for these things cheap. Other than that, the body's pretty straight. We got a big dent here. I seen that in the pictures, so I'm hoping maybe I can pop this out, hit it with some heat, and see if I can get most of it out so it doesn't look too bad. But got a fogged up tail light, or all corroded, so that's a common thing in these. So let's see if the tailgate looks like it opens. So that's working. Heck yeah. So she's got some fog lights underneath there. Check that out. Somebody rigged those up, huh? But other than that, this side looks pretty straight. She's got some little dings here. I don't know if you guys can quite see them. And it's got some corner bottom rust. So, but she's looking like a good truck. So that's the next project. We're gonna get going. I'm gonna strap it down and back to Yakima. There's not much else. So we got her all strapped down. She looks good. I just seen this here. It says dash lights broken, no miles, non-driver, don't start. So hopefully we can get it to start, but it looks like they took the battery out of it. Maybe I show you guys the engine bay, huh? I mean, the engine doesn't look like it's been taken apart at all too much, but it is missing the battery. So maybe somebody was messing with it and they figured something out. So I mean, it doesn't look like it's too bad, but yeah, definitely looks like it doesn't have any coolant in it. Our last one didn't have any coolant in it either. So we'll definitely check it out when we get back to Yakima. Let's get to it. All right guys, so we made it back to Yakima. There she is, we're on the lot. So she's a good looking truck. I mean, it does need a little bit of work, and right now she doesn't start, so I got my jump box here. We're gonna go ahead and just try and see if it fires up. So I'm gonna put the jump box on it and we'll see if she starts. Okay guys, so we got the jump box on there. Let's see what she does. It's got power. Looks like we got check engine light on. No display though, so unknown mileage. Looks like somebody might have tried to did some green LEDs in this one. So let's fire it up and see what happens. Oh man, kind of sounds like she's got no compression. Actually, I don't see that crank sensor working. So either the battery's too dead or the crank sensor's not working. So that's our first look at the 2004 Chevy, and we're gonna start working on it. Hopefully tomorrow I can record some more and we can know what's wrong with it. So check it out guys. I just put my little scan tool on there, and we got a P0335, says generic code for a crankshaft position sensor circuit. So we got that on there, current and also stored or pending. So I'm hoping this thing just has a bad crank sensor, because I don't see the RPMs moving at all. So that should be jumping up and down at least, you know, to 200. So man, if all this thing needs is a crank sensor, then we scored. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to the wrecking yard, pull one out, and we'll pop it in there and see if it starts right up. All right guys, so we scanned it. It says it has a crankshaft position sensor code. So on these ones, if I remember right, they're behind the starter. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard tomorrow, pull one out and put it in, and hopefully that fixes it. So as for right now, we'll just do another quick walk around. Like I said, the interior is pretty nasty in it. I mean, it's pretty filthy. It's dirty. All the cup holders and everything are dirty, you know, and it's got a tear in the seat. But you know, for 750 bucks, really can't complain too much. But yeah guys, so it's actually my birthday. We're gonna go out, get some chow with the family and have a good time. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, stay up and hustle hard.